I had a weird thought the first time I used Descript. What if I never open Premiere Pro again? That sounds dramatic, I know, but if you've ever edited videos for YouTube, podcasts, or client work, you know how much time disappears inside traditional editors. Cut here, move this clip, delete that mistake, fix the audio, export, repeat. So when people started saying Descript could replace video editing entirely, I had to test it. And honestly, the answer surprised me. The first thing that feels different about Descript is that you're not really editing video. You're editing text. You upload your video, it creates a transcript, and if you delete a sentence from the transcript, it deletes that part of the video. The first time I did that, it felt almost wrong, but also kind of amazing, because suddenly editing became much faster. I wasn't hunting through a timeline trying to find mistakes. I was reading words and deleting them. For talking head videos and podcasts, that's incredibly powerful. Then I started using features like filler word removal, all the and awkward pauses. One click, gone. That alone saved me a ridiculous amount of time. And honestly, I started understanding why so many creators love this tool. But here's what nobody tells you. Descript doesn't replace every video editor. Not even close. I tried using it for more complex projects. Heavy animations, advanced transitions, complicated visual effects, and that's where I hit a wall. Because Descript isn't trying to be Adobe Premiere. It's trying to make editing simple. That's a huge difference. I think people buy it expecting an all-in-one replacement for every editing tool they use. Then they get disappointed. The smarter way to think about it is this. Descript replaces a lot of repetitive editing work, not all editing work. The next thing I noticed was who benefits the most. Podcasters, YouTubers, freelancers, agencies creating lots of talking head videos, business owners making content for social media. For those people, the time savings are real, very real. I found myself finishing edits much faster than usual. Now, does it save money? Honestly, yes. If you're paying an editor just to cut interviews, remove mistakes, and clean up podcasts, Descript could absolutely reduce those costs. But if you're creating cinematic videos with lots of effects and advanced editing, you'll probably still need traditional software. So here's my honest conclusion. Can Descript replace your video editor? For some creators, absolutely. For others, not entirely. But can it save you time and potentially save you money? Without question. And honestly, I think that's why Descript has become one of the most interesting creator tools I've tested, because sometimes the biggest innovation isn't adding more features, it's removing friction. And that's exactly what Descript does. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.